If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. Well, we've got a garden hose here where the end was broken off. So I just hacksawed this clean. Now inside this hose, I don't know if you can see this here, but there's kind of a little bump right here that runs right through the whole hose. I'm going to have to take that out of there. And I think I'm going to try to do that with a 3/4 inch end mill because it's just about the same size as the inside of this. We'll give that a try. Alright, get the end mill in the vise. Put it on there. And that looks like it got it out of there pretty good. So what we've got here is a piece of aluminum pipe. Just cut off a chunk. I don't know if that might be 1 inch long or not, something like that. I expect will be long enough to work. And it fits rather nicely on this hose. Your hose might be different. You might have to look for a different size aluminum piece, but it does fit on there pretty nice. And what we want to do now is we've got one of these fittings that goes on here. Came from the hardware store. And it, by the way, came with one of those gear clamps, that the kind that cuts your fingers when you're trying to water the grass. I'll put that right in there. And what we're going to do now is slide this right up here. And to do that, we're going to have to use a press. I'm going to see if we can't just press that right through onto the ring. Okay, what we got here now is a very nice looking smooth collar that you're not going to cut your fingers on. And we're going to put the nozzle onto that. Tighten that up. Now we're going to take that outside, hook it up to the water, and see if we've got a leak. Well, it's kind of cold outside and it was raining, so I decided to do it inside. And we'll turn the water on. Guess we've got to let a little air out of here. Long hose takes a while for the water to get through. A little more pressure. We'll be getting there. And there we go. 0 leaks. That worked quite well.